Hi everyone! In today's video, we'll be showing you how students can upload and submit their work to Google Classroom assignments. To get started, go to classroom.google.com on your laptop, or if you're using an iPad, you may also use the Google Classroom app. Once you get into your classroom, you will be taken to your stream. The stream is over here. The easiest way to navigate to your assignments is under the Classwork tab over here. Once you have clicked here, you will find all of your assignments. So now we are in our classwork. You can see that we have week 1 today and we have assignment 1 letter. Noticed that we have a due date, which is the 15th of January. It means that our teacher wants us to submit this assignment by the 15th of January. Well, if you click on the assignment, it will show you a drop-down option. So notice that I have Google Docs attached that begins with my name. I can also click here to get to my document, and if my teacher has provided me with a template, I can start editing and submitting my assignment here. So you can see that we have an attachment here that we can open. Okay, so let's try to open our file. Okay, so now we have a document, assignment 1. Please write a letter to your English teacher. Write between 100 to 150 words. So this document can be easily edited. So the only thing we have to do is just to click, and we can start writing right away. So we can write, hello, Mr. Adams. I am writing my letter. Okay, so when we feel that we are ready, we are done with our assignment, we can click on Turn In button. But once we click here, it means that our teacher will get our assignment. So it means that we can no longer edit the assignment. If we feel that we are maybe, I don't know, not ready with our task, we can simply close the document and continue writing it. Okay, so we are back in our classroom. If we open the assignment one more time, you can see that the text that we wrote a minute ago is still here, so we can continue writing. But when we feel that we are really done with our assignment and we want to submit to our teacher, the only thing we have to do is to click on Turn In button here, Turn In. So now we will have a question if we really want to hand in our work. So if we feel that that's okay with us, we can click here on the Hand In button. So that means that our teacher will get this assignment. Okay, so now we are done. If we go back to our classroom, we can see here that now our assignment is handed in. So it means that our teacher has received this document and will read it and probably leave some feedback for us. Okay, I think that this is all I wanted to present. I hope this information was helpful, and we will discover more things about Google Classroom in the next videos. Thank you for watching.